Today we are going to see some amazing construction vehicles and find out what they are used for. Front shovel excavator. This big machine scoops heavy rocks and soil using its giant front bucket. It's like a super strong hand. Loader. A loader lifts sand, gravel or dirt and moves it quickly. It's like a helpful worker carrying heavy loads. Asphalt paver. This machine spreads hot black road material to make smooth highways. It's like painting the road with tar. Cold planer. It scraps old roads to prepare for new ones. Think of it as an eraser for the road. Mining dump truck. A giant truck that carries tons of rocks from mines. It's taller than a house. Demolition excavator. This long-armed machine tears down old buildings safely, like a giant dinosaur demolishing walls. Telehandler. Telehandler lifts heavy loads high up, like putting blocks on a tall shelf. Hole digger excavator. This digger makes deep holes for poles and pipes. It's like a huge drill. Mobile crane. A mobile crane on wheels that can move anywhere and lift heavy things up high. Tractor. Strong farm and construction helper that pulls and pushes heavy loads. Pump truck. It pumps concrete into tall buildings where hands cannot reach. Road header. This machine cuts tunnel through hard rock like a giant mole underground. Scissor lift. Scissor lift goes up and down like a scissor, helping worker reach high places. Dump truck. A dump truck carries sand, soil or rocks and tips it out with a whoosh. Feller buncher. A special forest machine that cuts trees quickly and grabs them together. Asphalt sprayer truck. It sprays hot tar before roads are built, like glue for the street. Bulldozer. This strong machine pushes rock, soil or even broken buildings like a giant metal bull. Heavy hauler truck. A super big truck that carries huge machines from one place to another. Grader. Grader levels the ground and make roads flat and smooth, like an iron ruler on wheels. Forklift. A warehouse helper that lifts boxes and goods on its forks. Backhoe. A 2-in-1 machine that digs with a back bucket and pushes with the front. Trencher. Trencher digs long, narrow ditches for pipes and cables. Scraper. It scraps soil from one spot and spread it evenly elsewhere. Racking ball crane. Swings like a giant ball to smash down old buildings, like a superhero hammer. Road roller. This heavy roller flattens roads to make them smooth, like pressing dough with a rolling pin. Mixer truck. A truck with a spinning drum that mixes and carries concrete. Crane. A tall machine with a hook that lifts and moves very heavy things. Flatbed truck. A truck with no roof that carries machine, wood or big boxes. Grapple excavator. It has a claw to grab and lift logs, junk or heavy scrap. Pile driver. Pile driver hammers long poles into the ground to make buildings strong. Wheel loader. Wheel loader is similar to a loader but with big wheels to move dirt fast. Skid loader. A skid loader is small, zippy loader that works in tight space. Power shovel excavator. Power shovel excavator digs out very tough ground and rocks. Cherry picker. A lift that takes people up like picking cherry from a tree. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, The Tiny Tutors.